Hi, I'm Noddy and welcome to my channel Make Way for Noddy. This is where I talk about budget travel and motorcycle trips. This time I'm in Nuremberg, Germany. We got these really cheap flights for £12 roughly each with return, and we decided to take the opportunity to know a new city in a new country. It is a little bit cold, about 4 degrees, but it does go quite low during the night. So it is a place where I'll definitely want to come back during the summer. Again, another one. But other than that, it's still a really good place to visit even during the winter, especially for these prices. In terms of money that you end up spending, you actually can end up spending quite a lot in this city. The food is not exactly cheap, although you can find the sausages for €3.50. Kebabs are around 4 to 5 euros. And obviously there's Lidl and Aldi where you can buy budget food in there. But obviously I wanted to try the food that was more local, and therefore I went for a bit more expensive stuff. Public transportation is actually quite easy. From the airport you can catch the U2 train right up to the center of the city. It was around €3.30 and it was a 30-minute ride. Everything is close together, so I think within the city you're probably going to be fine just walking around. The old town is easily reachable by foot from one side to the other. If you want to visit any other place, for example like the documentation museum, you'll have to get the tram, which is the number 8 that goes from the city center, the main train station, to the documentation center, and then you get the same one back. When we first came to Nuremberg. However, the city has proven to be a lot more than I ever thought it could be. The food is amazing. The sausages, they are from Nuremberg. They can only be made in Nuremberg, and they are really, really good. There's amazing bread all over the city, and the views are spectacular. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you have enjoyed. I totally don't feel like I have made any justice to this beautiful city that is Nuremberg, but you know, take it as just a little taste and try and travel there one day and take your own conclusions. I also want to point out that despite loving visiting the documentation center, it has a little thing that really annoyed me. So you're kind of forced to hear the whole English audio because there's no translation whatsoever of any of the descriptions in English. So you kind of have to go through the whole audio, you know, to get something or what's happening in the whole museum. The thing is that the audio is not even completed. There are parts that are not in the audio, so it's a little bit frustrating when you're in there. Other than that, people in Nuremberg are actually really nice and friendly. They totally tried to go above and beyond to accommodate us and to try and understand what we were going about, especially about trains and know how to get from A to B, because you know, I'm not great at that. So I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, share and subscribe for more travel videos. I really want to try and get more motorbike action next time. I am waiting and hoping that the weather will finally accommodate that, because it's been raining consecutively for the last few days, and it hasn't been possible to travel anywhere on the motorbike. So hopefully one of these days we get another good trip on the motorbike. I'll see you then. Goodbye and see you next time.